I did not pay you to see this.
I paid you.
When I put down this flag, that's when you fight.
Stop it!
Get
Ready?
physical, Chris.
Go!
Oh, Jesus!
Damn. No, that's attractive.
This is good.
All this dodging. Don't even try it.
What?
I'll still let you put.
Ram that into my mouth.
No, that's attractive
You
right
like
there.
wrong things in your mouth, Chris. I said maybe no physicals.
He's just like taking it.
Wow. That was weak. I'm almost dead.
Wow, that's the angle.
Aww.
Oh, motherfucker. Oh, shit.
How does this happen again?
He's fucked.
You know what I'm saying?
Try and catch one of the noodles, douchebag.
I'm trying. It's like a fucking puma.
Guys, just try not to break the noodles. Yeah, try not to break them, Chris.
He's got a death hold on
Take
him.
it to the mouth.
Ow. No more. Ah, just like broke my thumb.
Come on, Chris.
Keep going.
Oh!